Hello art people, we are on our final step of this exit slip here. So what we've done in the first video for this exit slip was we responded to this piece of artwork before working in a similar media, which was chalk pastel. So this artwork, the artist used chalk pastel for it, and we responded to it. We said how it made us feel, what it made us think of, etc. before using chalk pastel. And then we used chalk pastel like he did in this artwork, and we responded to it again, same questions. So now what we need to do is we need to compare our responses to this artwork before working with chalk pastels and after working with chalk pastels. So I will give you guys colored pencils so that you can color code these if you want. I'm going to start with green, so if you want to grab yourself a colored pencil. Okay. All right, now my number one here, I have calm on the left. So the drawing made me feel calm before I worked with chalk pastel, and afterward it made me feel excited. I felt like it was exciting. So are these different or do they have similarities? They have differences, right? Okay, so for this, I am going to put over here that it was, so what is calm compared to exciting? What is different with calm than exciting? Okay, calm is more of a relaxed, it's kind of passive. So passive just means like you're not really very active. It's the opposite of active. So calm is kind of like a passive emotion. So I'm gonna write, I felt more passive about it. And then over here, exciting, that was a little bit more of an active feeling. When you're feeling calm, you're just like more sitting. And when you're excited, you're more jittery and like moving. So you can use my answers here. I would love it if you used your own answers. So go ahead and look at number one on both of your sides and determine if there's a similarity or a difference. And if there's a similarity, you're going to write it in the middle. And if there's a difference, you're going to write it out here. Okay, now let's go to this next one, number two. So I'm going to use a different color for this. So you can switch colors for your number twos. So this one was, what does it make you think of? So before I used chalk pastel, it made me think of camping. And after I used chalk pastel, it made me think of going outside to draw and photograph. So are there differences with this? Are there similarities with these two? So ask that about your own art, your own answers. Okay? So if there's a difference between your two answers, you can write the differences over here. If there's similarities between these two answers, you write it in the similarity box. So first I'm going to underline these two so I can color code. So what would a similarity between mine be? Okay, both are outside. So outside. And what is the difference between mine? Okay, well this one is different because again, it's active. It's creating something. And this one is not creating. Okay, and now I'm done with that color. Okay, let's do number three. We have to fill up all these boxes. So we're just going to go until all of our boxes are filled up, okay? So number three, he likes, this question was, what do you think the artist is trying to communicate to you as a viewer? So before I worked with chalk pastels, I put he likes the outdoors. And afterwards, I felt like he was trying to just tell me how cool his process is. So are these similar or different? They're different. So underline in purple. Okay. He likes the outdoors. This one is more about what he likes. Like his it's about his personality. And this one is more about his skills. Okay. And so I'm done with these on the outsides. So now you go ahead, and if you haven't already, I want you to compare your number 3s and either write the differences, or if there's a similarity, write the similarity. Okay? Okay, I ran out of colors. Another color. Okay, let's look at number 4 now. So before I worked with chalk pastel, is it a success or a failure in your opinion? I wrote yes. I meant to say success. And after working with chalk pastels, I said it was a success. So is that similar or different? That's similar, right? That works out because I have 2 squares left here I need to fill out. Both positive. Okay, I need another color. I only have 1 square, so I'm looking for a similarity from the left to the right. I'll use this light green here. Okay, so number 5 on both sides. Do I feel like it's a creative idea or not was the question for number 5. I said yes over here, and I said yes, it is creative over here. So are those similar or different? Similar. So it goes in the similar box, which yay, that means I finished mine because that's my last box. So I put both positive again. I did it. Okay, so you guys go ahead and finish yours up. I'm happy to help you if you guys need any help with yours, but that's it for this video. I'm so proud of you guys. We did our exit slip. This is called a double bubble map. It's one of our thinking maps. So awesome job, you guys. I will see you in the next video.